Good morning. It's Sunday morning, the 12th of August 2018. This is Ron Brown. I've updated my files on the server on the add-ons page, and this video is primarily directed to those of you who use HGSI and are not members of the Insider Club. Those people have already been notified, and this video will just show you how to install the new files, and I'm not really going to show you how to use them, but if you want the latest files to experiment with, you can go ahead and follow this process. As you can see, I have several warehouse views in here. I don't have anybody else's files visible right now, and I'm sure most of you have the scans from Jeffrey Scott and Gilmore Alice and so on. But just to simplify this, I am isolating on my files. Now what I want you to do, if you want the latest files, I want you to delete, go into the warehouse view and delete anything with my name on it. First of all, it'd probably be a good idea to make a backup of your files, but I've tested this thoroughly and that should not be necessary, but just as a precautionary measure, go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to start with the quick start end of day. I'm going to click on delete, and then on my keyboard I'll just hit the Y keys. So I'm deleting everything. They're gone. Then I'm going to go into the charts, and I will find the Choose Create View. Choose Create View for both the warehouse and the charts. Delete. And that's all you have to do. You don't have to worry about the filters or the combo ranks. When I put the files up there for updating, everything is overwritten automatically, so don't worry about those. So once again, in review, in the warehouse view, to delete, you click on the Choose Create View and then delete the files. Same thing in the charting module. It's just to the left of the pencil icon on both of them. Choose Create View. Choose Create View. Well, the help file just wanted to come up there. Anyway, that's all there is to it. To get rid of them and then to get the new files, just go to the add-ons page under your help menu. And I would just suggest for most people, just download the basic end of day and the intraday filters. Download the zip file. Click on that. Since I've already downloaded it, I will just overwrite this. And then I'll go back to the Preferences menu, select Install Add-ons, and I'm going to choose the zip file Run Basic Filters, Views, Combos. Click on that. It's updating all the filters and combos in addition to putting the warehouse views and charts in. So when I open up the warehouse view, you can see that the quick start end of day, intraday, basic end of day, and basic intraday scans are in here. When I open the charts, click on the quick pick, same thing. So everything is here for you to experiment with. Now, if you want to have my complete set of files, and I don't really recommend this because they're not necessary. They're kind of a repository of past work, the things that I thought or think are most important. I put in the basic end of day and intraday filters. But if you want everything that you can experiment with, just click on the full or download the full zip file, go back to Preferences, install add-on, and I need to go to my download folder. Here it is, the full RB Views, Filters, Combos, or VFC. Okay, and then when I go into the warehouse, click on the Quick Pick, you'll see that in addition to the Quick Start and the Basic, here are end of day and intraday scans. It's just a lot of things I've worked on in the past, but the most important things have been put in the Quick Start and the Basic. Same thing goes for the charts. So that's it. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. I'll be doing some webinars for the public, but a lot of the teaching is just going to be for the Insider Club. And if you're interested in joining that, you can just go to the website and sign up for that. Thank you for listening, and go ahead and enjoy the files. And when I do weekend updates and so on, which I do occasionally, you'll see how I use a lot of these views, filters, and combos.